Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to watch a YouTube video while doing something else. This is the video that I will play for this tutorial. The first option you can do is to use this mini play feature on YouTube. As you can see, now your video is playing in this corner and you can keep browsing YouTube on the same tab or browser tab. The other feature that I recommend you or that I use personally is this one. Let's return to the watch page. Now let's keep publishing or let's keep playing this video. What I do is I go to this icon on my Google Chrome browser and I click on the same mini play button. And now what makes this second option better is that, or it allows me now to go into different tabs on my browser while having this video in corners. Usually I place them in this corner. With the first method, if I visit another tab, the mini play will be hidden. So I recommend you to go always with this feature from the Google Chrome. And now you can browse many or different tabs without affecting your mini video here. And this is how to watch a YouTube video while doing something else. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.